All right, so what we're going to talk about now is angle vocabulary. And these are just words that you need to know to be successful in this whole semester because I'm going to use these words. You need to know what they mean. So adjacent. Adjacent angles means that they are next to each other. Or you could also say that they share one side. Okay, so an adjacent angle, if you have an angle here, move this over a little bit. If you have an angle here, okay, and you have an angle right here that's sharing the side, this angle is adjacent to this angle. Okay, so that's the first word that you need to know. Supplementary. Supplementary means that they add this. I have all bad markers and I ordered more and they haven't come yet. Supplementary means that they add to 180 degrees. Okay, so supplementary angles, this one could be, let's say this angle is 60 degrees and this angle is 120 degrees. Those are supplementary angles because they add to 180. Okay, next one, complementary angles. Complementary angles add to 90 degrees. Okay, so those add to 90 degrees. I cannot find one that is working. I'm just having a pile of terrible markers. There we go, add to 90 degrees. So if we had an angle that was 30 degrees and we had another angle that was 60 degrees, I know I didn't draw those very well to scale. 30 plus 60 is 90, so these are complementary angles. All right, vertical angles. If I draw a picture like this, okay, this angle up here is a vertical angle to this one. Okay, so we're going to say that they are across from each other. Okay, so they are across from each other and they are like corner neighbors. We'll call them corner neighbors. Now, a linear pair is if you have a straight line, that's where the word linear comes from. You have a straight line and you have some sort of angle on here. This angle is a linear pair to this angle. Okay, so they are two angles on the same line. Now, one thing that's special about a linear pair is that they are supplementary. Okay, they're supplementary because they add up to 180. Okay, so they add to 180. Because a line, a straight line like this, a straight line is 180 degrees. I am so frustrated. Okay, here we go. So a straight line like this whole thing is 180 degrees. Okay, so if you were to have an angle in the middle of that, this part plus this part would be 180 degrees, right? So hopefully this helps a little bit with the vocabulary. We have adjacent next to each other, supplementary adds to 180 degrees, complementary angles add to 90 degrees, vertical angles are corner neighbors, they're across from each other, and a linear pair is on a straight line, two angles that are on a straight line.